So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit your location settings here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, go to the top right, press on your account, and then press on view your profile. Once you're here, go to the top left, press on edit public profile. Now what you can actually do under public profile, you can scroll down, show your city. You can update that if you want, or you can also go to account right here in the top left. Then scroll down to where it says location settings right here, and where it says region, you can go ahead and select your region, whatever country that may be, and update your location settings that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to update your location settings here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.